No overacting.
Cut over it.
The Oscars have been nominated already, so you can't get it. So sorry.
Yeah, and I don't like that crowd anyway. They're all idiots up there.
All right, there you go. He's having too much fun. How's the ride?
I don't want to get off it. That's pretty sweet, boys.
That's pretty.
Freedom, baby. That's pretty awesome. Wow.
That's incredible. So the big pickup. You rode it over here, so you with stock pipes, it's not as much pickup, huh?
Well, something got a little more snap to it. Yeah, I don't know if it's in my head or what, but it's got some snap. Well, it just sounds right. You know what I mean? It just sounds like it's right there with you.
Incredible.
Wow.
Awesome.
Yeah.
All right, man.
Well done, guys.